Hope your day is going well. As you can see, I am not here today as I have a doctor's appointment. So I am filming this lesson now for you. So as a warm-up, I want you to find the greatest common factor of these numbers. Greatest common factor means the largest number that you can divide into each of these two things. So please pause the video, allow students to try to find the greatest common factor of these, and when they are done in about 2 or 3 minutes, please restart the video and I will have some answers. In our first example, we need to find the factors of 2, which are 1 and 2. We also need to find the factors of 10, which are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Therefore, the greatest common factor of that first one is 2. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Therefore, the largest one is 3. Our second answer is 3. We can do the same thing for the next one. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. Therefore, the largest factor of those is 9. Factors of 14, we've got 1, 2, 7, and 14. Factors of 49 are 1, 7, 49. Therefore, our largest factor is 7. We've already done the factors of 24 right here. So the factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. Therefore, our largest factors in that second one is 6. You can see it right there, 6. And finally, our last ones, 50. We've got 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. 90, we've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 16. We then have 30, 45, and 90. And the largest of those two is 10. So we're working with greatest common factors today a little bit. Please pause the video. Please take out your homework. Teacher, please hand out the homework answer sheet, which is on the front table. Students, I want you to copy down problems 10, 20, and 28, and then hand that into the basket. Please pause the video while the students do that. When you are ready, please restart the video, and I will give answers to each of the problems. So here are the answers to the homework problems. Problem number 6, the answer is 3x minus 1. Problem number 8, the answer is 2n minus 4. Problem number 10, negative 2w minus 14. You could also put plus negative 14. Number 12, negative 14k plus negative 14 or minus 14. Number 14 is negative 4h plus 2. We skip to number 16, and number 16 is negative 2.5z minus 5. Number 18, this answer for A is 7m plus 19. You and your friend catch a total of 7m plus 19 fireflies. The amount you catch is 28. The amount your friend catches is 26, so you catch more fireflies. Number 20, the answer is 9d plus 3. Number 22, the answer is 14n minus 29. Number 24, the answer is x plus 10.5. Number 26, the answer is the number of fireflies caught increases by 7 each minute, so 7 fireflies are caught each minute during the competition. At 0 minutes, you and your friend have already caught 19 fireflies. And finally, the last answer is 9n plus 11, so we subtract that result from the perimeter, so this is the two sides, 9n plus 11, then we take the total perimeter, 17n plus 11 minus 9n plus 11, and we get 8n. That is the third side on that. And finally, we have one more question. So let x be the width of the floor. Let x plus 10 be the length of the floor. So we got 2x plus 2 parentheses x plus 10 because it is 10 bigger than the floor, which equals 2x plus 2x plus 20. When I combine these, we get 4x plus 20. Then we're going to subtract 4 because we don't want to count the 4 corner tiles twice. So we subtract 4 from that to get 4x plus 16. That is the expression that represents the number of tiles on the outside of the room. So today, one of the things that we are going to do is we're going to factor things out of an equation, or excuse me, out of an expression. So in this case, we need to find the greatest common factor. So we know that we have 24, and we also know that we have 18. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Therefore, the largest factor of the two is 6. So what we will be doing is we will be taking the factor of 6 out of each. Now, this is how I would do this. We would take 24x minus 18, and we're going to take 6 out of that. In order to do that, I have to figure out how many 6's are in 24x. That would give me 4x. And then how many 6's are in 18? That is 3. So our answer that we would simplify by factoring out 6 is 6 times 4x minus 3. This time, we're not going to take a greatest common factor out, but we are going to factor out a half out of each. So what we are going to try to do is we are going to try to take 1/2 out of 1/2 x plus 3/2. How many 1/2s are in 1/2? There is 1, and that would be x. How many halves are in 3/2? If I didn't know that, I might do 3/2 divided by 1/2, which means I keep change flip, so I would have 3/2 times 2 over 1, which would give me 6 over 3, which is 3. That is positive 3. So there's my factor. Half out of that would give me 1/2, 1x plus 3. In our third example, we will be factoring -2 out of this. So we will take -2, factor it out of the -4p. Hopefully you see -4 divided by -2 would give us 2. Then I would be left with the 2p. 10 divided by -2 would give me -5. Therefore, I have my factored out -2 times 2p minus 5. What I would like for you to do now is to try to match the one that is factored on the right with the one that is not factored on the left. Please pause the video, allow students a few minutes to try to get those, and when ready, please start the video and I'll have the answers. One of the other ways that we can do this is to take and take negative 6 times 2x, so this would be negative 12x, and negative 6 times negative 1, which would be plus 6. That one matches right here. In letter B, this would give us 12x minus 6. 12x minus 6 gives us this one. This one is, again, 6 times 2x, which is, again, 12x. 6 times 1, which is positive 6. That gives us this one. Hopefully, number 3 is going to equal D. When I multiply those two together, I get negative 12x. When I multiply the 6 times 1, negative 6 times 1, I get negative 6. There's that answer. So you can see we can not only factor out things, but we can take factored things and turn them into non-factored things as well. So, as a reminder, what we are working on is factoring things out of an expression. It could be the greatest common factor. It could be something that they tell you. And what we are looking to do is to get it a little bit more simplified, and hopefully you'll be able to do that today. With that, your homework today is page 93 in the textbook, problems 2 through 14 even, and 15 through 17 all. You will have the rest of class to work on the homework. It will be collected and corrected on Friday, and I look forward to seeing you then. I hope you have a great day.